Muslim women missing from parliament. Just 18 elected since 1952. None from South India. Namaskar, welcome to Habis. I'm Sashira. Even as India takes steps to improve women's participation in politics, with the introduction of the Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam, a law passed in September 2023 guaranteeing 33% reservation for women in Lok Sabha and state assemblies, a new book reveals a glaring gap. Muslim women remain vastly underrepresented in parliament. Titled Missing from the House, Muslim Women in the Lok Sabha, the book by senior journalist Rashid Kidwai and political analyst Ambar Kumar Ghosh highlights a troubling statistic. In over 70 years of parliament democracy, only 18 Muslim women have ever been elected to the Lok Sabha. The book points out that most of these women, 13 out of 18, came from political families, underlining the limited opportunities for Muslim women without political backgrounds. The numbers are particularly concerning when compared with population data. Muslim women make up about 7.1% of India's total population. Yet, in 5 separate Lok Sabha terms, not a single Muslim woman was elected. In fact, no Lok Sabha has ever had more than 4 Muslim women MPs at the same time. Another surprising fact, none of the 5 southern states, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, have ever elected a Muslim woman to the Lok Sabha. This is despite the region being known for higher literacy rates and stronger political awareness. The 18 women who broke barriers, some of the names that made it to the lower house include Mofida Ahmad, Zuhra Ben Akbar Bhai Chawda, Maimuna Sultan, Begum Akbar, Jahan Abdullah, Mohsina Kidwai, Abida Ahmad, Noor Bano, Rubab Saida and Mehbooba Mufti. Currently, Ikra Hassan Chaudhry from the Samajwadi Party is the only Muslim woman MP in the Lok Sabha. When the Women's Reservation Bill was tabled in Parliament last year, MIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi opposed it, arguing that it ignored OBC and Muslim women. He claimed that without specific inclusion, such groups would continue to be excluded from meaningful representation. Actually, Muslim women remain underrepresented in the Lok Sabha due to multiple factors: lack of political support, social and economic barriers, and limited access to education. Many elected women came from political families, not grassroots. Even in literate southern states, no Muslim woman has reached parliament. In many conservative Muslim families, less focus on women's education and empowerment also restricts their political journey. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis. Namaskar.